So we're going to start with a square base, otherwise known as a preliminary base. Look back at one of the previous videos if you're not sure how to make one of those. And this is going to make our bird base. So we're going to take the sides and we're just going to fold them into the centre, like so. And we're going to do that on all four of these flaps. So bring this one in. Just make sure that lines up. Increase that down. There you go. And fold over and do the same on the back. Like so. So now we're going to bring that point down just across this line here. We're going to fold it down and we're going to fold it back again. We just need to have that crease in there to make this fold a bit easier. So flip it over and do it on the other side as well. And now what we're going to do is going to open up these flaps and bring this point up to the top. So it's going to fold across that crease we just made. Just get your thumbs in there and just bend that crease the other way and then flatten it down like so. There we go, and we're just going to do that on the other side as well. So flip it over, open up these flaps, and then just pull the bottom up towards the top, just along that crease. Just make sure it lines up. Just want those to go into a nice little point at the top there. Just make that crease again. Perfect. So you see we've got these flaps along the bottom. We're going to fold the top back down. You see you've got that little point in the middle there. And fold it over and do the same on the other side. And that is our bird base. Just make those tight.